Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Today we are back in Lake Lure, North Carolina, 11 months after the Hurricane Helene flood, where this tiny river turned into a raging river and wiped out and caused more devastation than anyone could ever imagine. Next week sometime the Flowering Bridge is going to be torn down, so we're here today to get some last shots of that Flowering Bridge, and we'll go ahead and get started right after this station identification. And this is the Flowering Bridge, or at least what's left of it, and there's still flowers on it. There's no way to access it from this side. The water, I'm assuming, came from the other direction, came from that direction, because that's the direction of the stream right now. But it's going to all be torn down. It's in the process right now of routing the river back where it used to be. Right where I'm standing right here was just a little offset of the Rainbow Bridge. This little path that came down went to something, this little area here. This was Flowering Bridge, continued across in this direction, but right here is a little path that led down to something that really choked me up. It was called Rainbow Bridge. It was a little bridge that went across a little low area that had dog collars and all, so you could help remember your pet that had passed on. Still round the corner there may wait a new road or a secret gate. And though I have often passed them by, a day will come at last when I shall take the hidden paths that run west of the moon, east of the sun. This is the opposite side of where I was just at. This is as far as you can go, though. This is going to be our last look at the Lake Lure Flowering Bridge. After this week, it's going to be torn down, removed forever. More than likely, it will not be built back, as it was a bridge that was decommissioned years ago when they turned it into Flowering Bridge. So for now, all we have is our memories and this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.